some more.
Hello guys, welcome to Abhi Tutors. So in this video we are going to make Origami Snitch. So this is the easy and the basic version for newbies who are into Harry Potter and origami. So I'm soon going to upload the complex version and the realistic version. So be sure to subscribe so that you'll know when I'll upload the complex version. Also, I'll post more origami videos. And check out the channel so that you can see origami hippogriff and origami fireball broomstick. So let's get started. Take the paper, fold it into a triangle, crease it. Now open it, and you see this point, you're gonna crease it till this point. Just like that. Crease it, and now repeat the same on this side. Just like that. Fold this in once again. Okay. Now open it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna fold this line on this line. Just like that. Crease it. Repeat the same this side. Just like that. Okay. And now you're gonna bring this line to this line. This line to the bottom line. Crease it. And now bring this line to this line. Just like that. Okay. Repeat the same this side. And then take one flap down. Just like that. Now open this one. You see? It's like this. Next, we are going to make a water bomb base on this square. You see? This square. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, like this. And then you're gonna fold this part just like that. And now you need to bring this flaps like that. And if the fold is not coming, what you can do is you can first fold it into a half crane base or bird base, like this, and then you can just fold it on the opposite side. Just press it so that the paper gets adjusted. Okay, so now you remember the water balloon we used to make, so I'll just post a tutorial. You can just click here. So fold this till there, okay, this flap, and bring this there till the middle point. And now you're gonna fold this part like this, and this flap like this, okay, and fold this flap inside like that, and put this two flaps inside this pocket right here. Okay, let me zoom if you can't see. Okay, and then put the flaps inside just like that. See, simple. Repeat the same on this flap. And then put these inside. Okay, just like that. Next step is you're gonna fold this like this, and once like this. Okay, just fold it from the middle line, and then you're gonna take this upward so that this whole flap comes like this, and it aligns with this flap. Okay, see, just like that. Put it there. Okay, leave it for now, and repeat the same this side. Just like that. See? And now put these two flaps like this, and pull these down a bit. Adjust it just like that. Next step is the wings. What you're gonna do is you're gonna press right there, put a bit tension, and you're gonna fold these outside. Okay, just push it, and you got yourself a wing. Just like that. Okay, then you can just open this like that. See? Just crease it, and you can just fold this flap a bit up so that it gives it a bit of feathery look. Like this. You can just do it and repeat the same on this flap. Okay, so actually I had to adjust the wing part, so all I did was I just folded these lines. Okay, so you can just do it. So now fold this paper like this and take these flaps down. Just open them. Just push it like this and make the creases. Just like that. Just push this out. Okay, so my paper is thick, so there are a lot of flaps like that, but if your paper is thin, your snitch will come good. Now last step is to blow inside this hole, small hole right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna blow it. So as you can see, our snitch is made, and just like Harry, see, I've caught the snitch. It's really big. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a like and don't forget to share. And please subscribe so that you'll know when I'll post the realistic snitch, and you can click here and here for the origami firebolt and origami hippogriff.